This is how I became a successful day trader, and success here is something I evaluate and am satisfied with myself. Becoming a technical analyst. I don't know about others, but for me, if I don't monitor price movements in real time on the chart, deciding on an entry point is like gambling. What you need is to grasp the reversal trend of a smaller trend so that it aligns with the larger trend. You can't rely on news because by the time you read it, it's too late. Anyone who becomes a day trader knows the limitations of news, right? Becoming a successful technical analyst is very simple. I'm not exaggerating, you already know that. Okay, the keywords here are analysis, planning, execution of the plan, and risk management. Has anyone told me they've never heard of this? You know the answer. So why haven't you succeeded yet? You already know the answer, right? Okay, that's the end of the video. Just kidding. I still have to trick you guys for a few minutes to get a like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you know when the latest videos are released. How could it be that fast? Just kidding. If you follow those things and still haven't succeeded, there are two reasons. One, you don't understand this game well enough. Two, your method of operating this game is incorrect. So, what exactly should you do when entering this game? Wait, now that you've heard this, I hope you all know how to analyze, plan, execute the plan, and manage risks. Okay, that's a necessary condition, as mentioned in a previous video. Whether you're a technical analyst or a fundamental analyst, what we all need to know before clicking buy or sell anything is information. I don't know what information fundamental analysts need, but as a very handsome day technical analyst, the information I need to see is about past and present price movements. From there, I can grasp the market's psychological trends through each price movement, and we have 2 weapons charts and price action step 1 done. And candle charts give us the most information when looking at the price chart of a product. For those who don't know about candle charts, well, never mind, try to learn about them. I'm explaining this to those who already understand and practice analysis, planning, and execution, along with risk management, but we still lost money. We're not going into detail about candles here, go learn about that damn thing. It's an art, and the best thing about price action isn't the candles, but the market structure, the price patterns, the key levels. Of course, if you're smart, you can learn all the candle patterns in the market like doji, shooting star, ... but I can't. I'm just handsome. I only understand how candles are formed. So I'm successful, not smart. The basic market structure has 3 forms, 1 up, 2 down, 3 sideways. 1. Uptrend is clearly identifiable based on higher lows and higher highs. 2. Downtrend is the opposite. Lower lows and lower highs. 3 sideways. Unclear highs and lows, also known as a trendless market. Remember, as a day trader, we don't fear a market going down. We only fear a market without a trend. So what do we have now to enter the market? We need a chart, right? Open the candlestick chart and analyze the key levels for those who don't know. Key levels are essentially support and resistance zones. They're the same. Luckily, a longtime trader told us I'm exaggerating, that sometimes price movements create patterns that, when they appear, cause the price to follow the direction of the pattern, sometimes they are not remember. So instead of focusing on candlestick patterns, you should focus on patterns like head and shoulders, cup and handle, and double, triple top or bottom. That's much more important. So you'll understand the general structure of the market. Later, people researched a very powerful pattern, and thanks to that, they even created a method around it. The SMC, or Smart Money Concert. I haven't looked into this pattern myself, but its success has been proven by the trading community day. By day dot, what is the most important thing for a day trader? That's the trend and the waves. With my understanding of price action and patterns, I sometimes fall into a deadly trap, sideways movements. I don't need to repeat the instability of sideways price movements, right? I'm looking for another tool to analyze whether the market is interested in the stock I'm interested in. What key level do the crowd react to most? They came to me quietly. The simple volume indicator, tip the market, is always correcting. Don't chase the price. Wait for it to return to the Lamborghini that took you there. Read about Elliott wave theory and Down John theory. Read like you're applying for the US citizenship test. Study hard, then forget everything. Looking at candlesticks all the time confuses me. I wish there was something that could show the trend more clearly. Moving averages are added to your chart. I learned more about indicator tools like Satagu. How many Pokemon I've captured for myself. But I realized that the market isn't what's confusing me. The problem here is that's me, the chart in front of me. So the next lesson is make your chart simple. But that doesn't make me confident in my decision. I need a measuring tool that can gauge the momentum of the ongoing trend. Where it's overbought or oversold, we add RSI to our trading platform. In addition, I need to use Ichimoku Cloud to further strengthen my key level identification. So the preparation steps are complete. Don't expect to achieve your goals too easily. To follow this video correctly, remember the first condition. After all, you need to do 1. Analyze. Plan, execute the plan, and manage risk. 2. Remember point 30 and have a really good chart, but it must be really simple, giving you as much information as possible. 4. Equip yourself with more Pokemon and use them in the market. 5. Follow your plan and strategy mechanically. Don't increase the difficulty of your game. 6 is free. So let's talk about the like and subscribe buttons. Shall wet and forget to turn on notifications if I get enthusiastic support. I will show you the detailed step-by-step instructions in the next video. Good luck, trader.